तुमकां दिसता की एक पब्लीक मुवमेंटाचो पॉलिटिकल मुवमेंट जावचो म्हणून काय तुमकां दिसता की एक प्रेशर ग्रुपूच म्हूण रावप चड बरें?
See, Jayaprakash's movement ultimately became a political movement.
Yes,
But it did not start as a political movement.
correct.
It started as a
Public movement.
as a public movement. Then those who were there in the movement got together and formed a party.
Yeah,
So that is a subsequent step.
yeah.
So this movement is not going to be a. We are inviting everybody.
You are not starting this with an aim to become a
Yes,
political movement.
We want everybody across parties committed to these values to join us, irrespective of which party they are in. The only thing that we say is, in our core group, we will not include you. In the core group, we would have people, those social activists and other citizens who are not office bearers of political parties.
Absolutely.
But political parties, of course, they have to support, because without their support, no movement can go.
Nothing can happen.
Nothing can happen.
Yeah.
So, but there is, as I said earlier, this, we are not interested in a political movement. If political parties afterwards want to take that, we can't say anything because that happens everywhere.
Yeah.
If I say tomorrow some political party will not take advantage of this, I'll be too naive.
Yeah.
बरं? मग लोक हसतालेत.
Aye.
But this happens.
Yeah.
But that is forget
But
about.
at least as society, we should be clear that these are our issues and there should not be any compromise on these
Yes,
issues.
that is what that is what's going to happen to this movement as and when it takes off.